We're standing in what we call the big gym here at Marquette. Just next door is what we call our small gym, which is our auxiliary gym. That floor had some uneven surfaces in it and some areas where there were volleyball standards that needed to be addressed. The district stepped up with the funds that the public supplies us. We were able to completely replace that floor. We have a place now where kids can go and be active and be safe, which those are two very, very important things, as we all know. Obviously, our physical education classes come first here. We use this gymnasium a lot for those classes. We will have groups like ROTC come down and do some marching exercises. Clubs and activities use this facility. We also obviously have games in here: volleyball, wrestling, basketball. A lot of the community comes in as far as Rockwood Community Education uses this facility. CNR basketball, which is probably the most popular youth basketball program in the area for area feeder programs. They're in here almost every Sunday. You just look around, you can see brand new bleachers, which we're very proud of. The floor has been resanded down, but we have matched it up with our branding project that we've done all over campus. Brand new score tables, we've got new scoreboards in here, and we think we've got a nice facility here. We're very proud of it. The opportunity to get kids in an area that is appealing to them to get physical activity, I think, is a big deal. And anytime you can present that atmosphere where kids want to be and kids want to play and kids want to get active, I think it's a good thing.